3 ways to get girls for free. First of all, see we are there. You see we are there. May not be like say I don't know what they do. If I'm in the UK now, if I was wasting all my money on women, I will not see money to come here. That's number one sign. Say okay, I know what I they teach you. 3 ways to stop wasting money on women. Number 1 way to stop giving money to women: start to talk to plenty girls. How many girls do you know? You only know few girls. Then when that one show you paper, you call the claims now so every other girl be. Just because say your girlfriend a married, not mean so every other girl be. You don't understand. So the more women where you meet, the more chances of you meeting the better ones. Now why they tell you the beautiful ones are not yet born. And this thing will help you with that scarcity mindset, because now you know so okay, you can easily get another one. Because you can easily get another one, you know we can tolerate rubbish from the present one. Because the reason why many of them they take rubbish a lot, and because they feel like okay, if this one go now, I want to get another one. So because of that, this thing now they feel like say guess not there anywhere, but guess who everywhere where they single. And you know the advantage where every man gets. Now who they meet woman, now woman go accept. Not be woman like. Now who approach woman go get woman. Not be woman like. Now why you say you go see some boys who see that they very they are not even up to you, but they date beautiful girls. The reason why they like because now the ones who approach the girls be that. If you not approach girl, you not go see. The options go they very, very limited. Because the truth is that people where girls love, the ones where they like, the one where they crush on, not they approach them. You understand these things now? When you ask a girl now, who is your crush? Burna Boy is my crush. But Burna Boy not go approach you. Now girl go come meet. Now me go come meet you. You understand all these things now? So all those women love a lot of people. They love plenty boys. Your girlfriend love plenty boys. Like the same way you get girlfriend, but they like different girls. Now so that your girlfriend still dinner, they admire different boys. But those boys they meet them. No. Now the one we meet her go, she go accept. So you now take advantage of that opportunity, meet a lot of them to get plenty of them. When you get access to plenty girls now, you don't get the power, because now if that one tell you rubbish, and once woman know say if she fuck up, if she mess up, you go let her go. She go do everything to keep you. Cause now the fear of losing you na problem for her. You know that's that kind of thing. Then the number 2 way, I go show you my UK apartment. I don't know why if not my hotel now. I did this hotel now in London. That place where Burna Boy is sing. If I see you on TV, London Bridge, that one not mean nothing to me. You know that place now, they close to them now. I'm telling you. But I never want to go outside now. They prepare this morning now to go back to Manchester, because my show in London is I'm done with it. So after now we from UK now, the entire Ireland, they go perform to a Geh Geh for them. You know that's I see my sweet apartment, no AC. But if una come my hotel now, Geh Geh, why your hotel not get AC? Oyibo hotel not they get AC. All the apartments from the ones from Manchester, Wolverhampton, London, Leicester, all the city una don't go. I never see anyone. You see, na fan they blow me, and I paid block. Yeah, now block. They say, boy, the ambience they very, very nice. Man, I'll show you the outside view. We'll continue with the video. But man, I'll show you my neighbors. You see, my neighbor with a very quiet neighborhood. See? You know understand? Me, I like the quiet side. Meet plenty girls, brother. You know, pass say when you meet woman, now 2 things they happen. Either she say yes or no. I don't know why many of them they fear to meet girls. You are very, very good looking. Now sweet boy you be. Now today, God give the world the chance to meet somebody like you. There's no breed like you. You are perfect. You are well built. You fine. You cute. You get block. You understand all these things now. Without the child let you know, self-love, self-appreciation. When you value yourself, you not go settle for less. You will know okay, you deserve better. And this mentality I get. So some people go say na pride, Geh Geh, they feel one kind. Yes, now because say I not allow you see me finish, so therefore you dey feel like say the boy get pride. When you have this mentality, you no go settle down for less. The reason why many of una dey tolerate rubbish, any small thing want dey pay with money. If dem minus money from some boys life, they not get anything to offer woman. Why you say once Nigeria boys they go abroad for them to get girlfriends they hard for them, because now they don't come up for environment to be say they don't feel they use money they get girlfriend again. That time now they don't feel they get girlfriend because apart from the money nothing else to offer, because for abroad the system is working, the girls they work, they get their own money. So now you not feel really use the money now as the yardstick for you to get woman again. It must be something else. That time it becomes a problem. It becomes a problem because aside the money, if aside your small Geh Geh wey dey drive for Nigeria wey dey buga, you will see people get friends say you want to use your small Geh Geh take collect, but now you know they abroad now it can't be. They don't use money they collect woman for here. Now pure love and pure intention of other things what you get to offer. Now you become automatically useless. So self-love, self-appreciation, knowing your self-worth. You understand that kind of thing now? Self-definition. You know you don't define yourself so can be so personal because say I be Geh Geh, I not fit settle for this type of people. That one not mean say you dey downgrade anybody. No. Now also you just set boundaries. Okay, this set of people they don't belong in my life. See where I dey, see where them dey. Gap dey. Make everybody know their level. I'm a Ukrainian. you know that kind of thing now. I'm not with you guys, please. There's no way one small girl now we never shop belle full now. We never even afford ordinary transportation, ordinary everyday for money, ordinary sub. You not fit afford for yourself. You not even dey feed yourself properly. All of a sudden you won't date the life of a financial expert. We don't travel all over the world, full globe. We get everything, we don't put your life in order. You know they work like that. I'm not saying a woman should have everything, but at least build your life too. As I dey build myself, see they try your best. They see even if not small. So many of them, I'm not saying no they give girl money. Love is giving, but make sure say the person you are giving to deserve it. Now just my teaching be this. Normally girl will feel buy a car for instance, so if you buy you ladies bike, and so it's giving. As you they give, may they reciprocate the love. Now your my teaching be that. Not be somebody will say just there they sit down, they hope say everything what she need for her life now you go pay. Then when you are not paying, she can't claim say you not love her, and now they do all those type of love. Also now mumu love of I'm hungry, baby sub me. What happened to good night messages? Early morning messages. They don't do all those once again. Either you are paying the bill or you not love me. No, that was not be in relationship. So self-worth, the best man ever live it. Now you be. So meet plenty girls, bro. I just the key be that. Not let anybody deceive you. Now they meet woman, they talk to woman, say I like you. Now go get girlfriend. You know what they talk? Now go get girlfriend. Because at the end of the day, if you forget everything I teach you for this video, remember this thing when I tell you. Now who meet woman, tell woman say I love you, go get to woman. Because at the end of the day, the people where women want, the one way they love, the one way they crush on, not they approach them. And now who approach them, they go accept, they go agree for. Now so it be. A lot of girls love whiskey, but not be every girl whiskey go date. Not be all of their whiskey go meet. A lot of girls love Geh Geh, but not be all of their Geh Geh go see. Not be all of them go who get the chance to see me. Now the ones who decide they meet, they talk to, get chance for my life too. I'm like they get, if you look today long, write my name in capital letter, city boy. Write my name in capital letter, city boy. Or what you do? Write my name in capital letter, city boy. Alright. I prepare to leave from Manchester now, from London to Manchester, like we talked before. I still get more than 4 events. And I want to use the opportunity to still appreciate like Nigerians with the UK. These people, they are so amazing. And I send this video as a warning to you, a Nigerian with Nigeria, where you don't know the way people where they live, because they say UK people greedy. My brother, that will not be true. These people, they spend money. The love when I don't receive for years since I come here, the thing they amaze me, like I don't believe. Again one day, which is we just casually enter club, not beside even go perform as guest. We just go enjoy. That place when I did, 3 Nigerians credit me 1 million. They cry for my account. 1 million, they cry. 1 million, millions, they cry for my account, bro. I don't believe. From Nigerians, Geh Geh, Jesus, mentor, we see you today. Give me your details. 1 million, they cry for account, steady. Not be from one person, not be from 2 persons. What of the ones who be say casually, say, Geh Geh, you dey London, you dey Manchester, come, we will host on. We'll go. Food, drinks, money. Some of the apartments, so they are the ones paying, sponsoring. So these people are so amazing. I love Nigerians, man. I love you guys. I love you guys. You know, forget I'm a former Nigerian, but I still love you guys. I want to protest for Nigeria from abroad, you know. I want to support you guys in Nigeria from abroad. Let me support you guys. Head bad government in Nigeria. What's going on? That's my support for Nigeria. When I go walk, you get 6-pack, bro. Your lips, they pink. You get morale. You get weight. You get weight. Your feet. You look good. You did very handsome. Go and talk to that girl. I did your back. You get 6-pack.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.